Welcome to APS Online Tutorials. Today we will discuss History Part 3, where most probable MCQ on Jainism as well as Buddhism that can be asked in any type of exam, whether APSC, SSC or Railway. So here is the first question. Who was the founder of Jainism? Option A, Parshavanatha, B, Mahavira, C, Neminatha, D, Rishabdeva. So the answer is option D, Rishabdeva. He was born in Ayodhya, and the Jainism came into existence in around 600 BC. 600 BC. Mahavira was born in option A 468 BC, B 563 BC, C 599 BC, D 483 BC. So the correct answer is option C 599 BC. BC means before Christ. The birthplace of Mahavira is option A Gaya, B Kusi, C Kundagram, D Varanasi. So the correct answer is option C Kundagram. It is near Vaishali. So in the options, if Vaishali is given instead of Kundagram, then the answer will be Vaishali. Mahavira was born to option A Chandraprabha and Sumitra, B Anand and Sujata, C Siddharth and Trishala, D Bindusara and Yashoda. So here the answer will be option C Siddhartha and Trishala. Means the question asks that who is the father and mother of Mahavira. Means Mahavira was born to Siddhartha and Trishala. Siddhartha was the father and Trishala was the mother of Mahavira. Mahavira was born in the tribe of option A Kuru, B Jnatrika, C Panchala, D Shakya. So the correct answer is option B Jnatrika. Who was the daughter of Mahavira? Option A Anoja, B Sujata, C Mahadevi, D Sanghamitra. So here the correct answer is option A Anoja. She was also called Priyadarshini. So in options, either of the two options may be given. Means Anoja may be given or Priyadarshini may be given. The first Tirthankara of Jainism was option A Rishabhananda, B Parshavanatha, C Neminatha, D Mahavira. So here the correct answer is option A Rishabhananda. The word Tirthankara means, this word Tirthankara means the spiritual teacher of Dharma. And Parshavanatha was the 23rd Tirthankara. He was the 23rd Tirthankara of Jainism. And Neminatha was 22nd Tirthankara of Jainism. And this Mahavira was the last and 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. Mahavira became a monk at the age of option A 25, B 30, C 35, D 40. So the correct answer is option B 30. His son-in-law Jamali becomes his first disciple. Jamali. What were the three Ratnas of Jainism? Option A, right knowledge, B, right faith, C, right conduct, option D, all of the above. So here the correct answer is option D, all of the above. The word Jain is derived from option A, Jivan, B, Jiva, C, Jina, D, Jana. So here the correct answer is option C, Jina. It is a Sanskrit word whose meaning is conqueror. Its meaning is conqueror. Vardhamana Mahavira died at option A, Pavapuri, B, Kundagrama, C, Kuruvilla, D, Anga. So here the correct answer is option A, Pavapuri. He died in the year 527 BC. 527 BC. He was born in the year 599 BC. So he has almost lived 72 years. Lord Mahavira was earlier known as option A, Parsva, B, Vardhamana, C, Chetak, D, Jina. So here the correct answer is option C, option B, Vardhamana. Mahavira attained nirvana at the age of option A, 42, B, 50, C, 60, D, 72. So here the correct answer is option D, 72. Which of the following are sects of Jainism? So the options are option A, Shwetambaras, B, Digambaras, C, only A means only the Shwetambaras, D, both A and B means Shwetambaras and Digambaras both. So here the correct answer is option D, both A and B means both Shwetambaras and Digambaras are sects of Jainism. Who was the leader of Shwetambaras? Option A, Gautam, B, Gosala, C, Sulabhadra, D, Bhadrabahu. So here the correct answer is option C, Stholabhadra. The first Jain council was held at option A, Pataliputra, B, Vallavi, C, Vaishali, D, Pavapuri. So here the correct answer is option A, Pataliputra. Only two Jain councils were held, first at Pataliputra and the second one at Vallavi. Second one held at Vallavi. The first Jain council was held by option A, Bhadrabahu, B, Stholabhadra, C, Sabakami, D, Gosala. So here the correct answer is option B, Stholabhadra. It was held around 300 BC. It was held around 300 BC. The second Jain council was held at option A, Pataliputra, B, Vallavi, C, Vaishali, D, Pavapuri. So here the correct answer is option B, Vallavi. This one I have already told. Only two Jain councils was held. So first one is at Pataliputra and the second one is at Vallavi. The Mauryan ruler who patronized Jainism, option A, Bindusara, B, Chandragupta Maurya, C, Kumaragupta, D, Ashoka. So here the correct answer is option B, Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya became the disciple of Bhadrabahu and spread Jainism on the south. Kalinga king Kharvela also patronized Jainism. Kharvela. He was a Kalinga king. Jain texts are written in option A Pali, B Prakrit, C Sanskrit, D Hindi. So here the correct answer is option B, Prakrit. Jain texts are written in the Prakrit language. Who was the founder of Buddhism? Option A Mahavira, B Suddhadana, C Gautam Buddha, D Rishabhadeva. So here the correct answer is option C, Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born in option A 432 BC, B 527 BC, C 599 BC, D 563 BC. So here the correct answer is option D, 563 BC. Gautam Buddha was born at option A Bodh Gaya, B Kapilavastu, C Vidisha, D Vaishali. The actual place is Lumbini in Nepal. So this Kapilavastu, this Lumbini is in near Kapilavastu. So the answer will be B Kapilavastu. Who was the father of Gautam Buddha? Option A Rahul, B Ananda, C Shuddhadana, D Rishabha. So here the correct answer is option C, Shuddhadana. Who was the mother of Gautam Buddha? Option A Mahamaya, B Trishala, C Sujata, D Yashoda. So here the correct answer is option A, Mahamaya. Who was the stepmother of Gautam Buddha? Option A Amrapali, B Gautami, C Subhadra, D Sujata. So here the correct answer is B Gautami. After 7 days of Gautam Buddha's birth, he lost his mother and brought up by his stepmother Gautami. Lord Buddha belonged to the tribe of option A Jnatrika, B Shakya, C Kurus, D Dhaggas. So the correct answer is option B Sakya. For this reason he was also called Sakya Muni. He was also called Sakya Muni. Who was the wife of Gautam Buddha? Option A Trishala, B Yashoda, C Yashodhara, C D Amravali. So here the correct answer is option C Yashodhara. They had a son Rahul. They had a son Rahul. Don't confuse yourself between Yashoda and Yashodhara. Don't confuse yourself between Yashoda and Yashodhara. Yashoda is the wife of Mahavira, and Yashodhara is the wife of Gautam Buddha. What was the name of the horse of Gautam Buddha? Option A Kanthaka, B Mahira, C Rajak, D Channa. So here the correct answer is option A Kanthak. Channa was the charioteer of his chariot. He was the charioteer of his chariot. Charioteer means the driver. Gautam Buddha got enlightenment at the age of option A 25, B 30, C 35, D 40. So here the correct answer is option C 35. Mahavinishkramana means option A enlightenment of Buddha, B born of Buddha, C renunciation of Buddha, D date of Buddha. So here the correct answer is option C renunciation of Buddha. Renunciation means to sacrifice something. It means to sacrifice something. Dharmachakra Pravartana means option A first sermon, B born of Buddha, C renunciation of Buddha, D date of Buddha. So here the correct answer is option A first sermon. First sermon was the correct answer. Sermon means spiritual advice. This sermon term means spiritual advice. He delivered his first sermon at Sarnath. Where his 5 disciples were settled. Mahaparinirvana means option A first sermon, B born of Buddha, C renunciation of Buddha, D date of Buddha. So here the correct answer is option D date of Buddha. Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath, where his first disciples had settled. This is known as option A Mahaparinirvana, B Nirvana, C Dharmachakra Parivartana, D Mahavinishkramana. So here the correct answer is option B Nirvana. Gautam Buddha died in option A 563 BC, B 483 BC, C 473 BC, D 453 BC. So here you should be so cautious that all the options are last digit is 3. So the answer is option B 483 BC. The options are given close. Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayana sects in the option A first Buddhist council, B second Buddhist council, C third Buddhist council, D fourth Buddhist council. So here the correct answer is option D fourth Buddhist council. The sacred books of Buddhism are called option A Triratnas, B Angas, C Jatakas, B Tripitaks. So here the correct answer is option D Tripitaks. It means 3 baskets. This Tripitaka term means 3 baskets. This is an important table. This table consists of different Buddhist councils held at different times, their place, chairman or president, and the king of that time. So the first council was held at Rajagriha in the period 483 BC, and the chairman was Mahakasappa, and the king of that time was Ajatashatru. The second Buddhist council was held in Vaishali in the period 383 BC, the chairman was Sabakami and the king of that time was Kalashoka. The third Buddhist council was held at Pataliputra in the year 250 BC and the chairman was Mogaliputra Tisa. The king of that time was Ashoka. Fourth Buddhist council was held in the period 72 AD at the place Kundalvana and the chairman was Vasumitra and the king of that time was Kanishka. So from here different type of questions can be asked. Means when was the first Buddhist council was held? The answer will be 483 BC. When the second Buddhist council was held? The answer will be 383 BC. When second Buddhist council was held, who was the king of that time? The answer will be Kalashoka. Then who was the chairman of the third Buddhist council? The answer will be Mogaliputra Tisa. So from here different type of questions can be asked. So this one is an important table. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and share it on social sites so that everyone gets benefited. Thanks for watching the video.